Come along with me for a few days in Portland, Maine, a friendly, walkable city on the coast with great food and a relaxing vibe. We had been to Portland a few years ago, so we had the lay of the land. We found a restaurant with fantastically fancy small plates to try. I'll link info down below to the places we visited if you're interested. We were in Portland to take a walking food tour that we had a gift certificate for, and we met up with the group late on the next morning. Our guide, a local artist, gave us a lot of info about Portland's history and culture. We started with a fish taco, and of course we had some New England clam chowder. Pro tip, add a dash of red Tabasco. If the New England clam chowder was a given for a Maine food tour, you know what was next, a lobster roll. And then we had a chocolate and some ice cream for dessert. Based on our guide's recommendation, we next headed to Peaks Island, about a 20-minute ferry ride off the coast. In typical Randy and Marcy fashion, an unusual destination we had heard about attracted our attention. But first, an even more unusual attraction was right in front of me, so I popped in to experience the Umbrella Cover Museum, celebrating the sleeves that cover umbrellas.
She is now up to 2,500 covers.
We split what was perhaps another local specialty, the ham Italian. And then we were fortified to walk across the island to our next adventure, which was more than a little spooky. I toyed with a plan to ride a tire swing.
There's no chance. Zero chance.
I abandoned the attempt, though, in about 1 second flat. Because one, I was wearing a dress and didn't want to straddle the tire, and two, more importantly, a pack of teenagers who may have been mean girls were approaching. I don't say this lightly, but this place was creepy AF. We faced a nearly pitch black tunnel blanketed on all visible surfaces with graffiti, with the dwindling light disappearing completely by about 10 or 15 feet in. The scariest part for me was not being able to see the ground and imagining a pit opening up before me that I would fall down, down, down into, like Alice in Wonderland. We survived, though. Battery Steele, a historic landmark, was a fortification to protect the coast during World War II, and it's now part of a land preserve. Here's a look at the sketchbook spread that I made, inspired by our visit to Portland, Maine. Thanks so much for coming along with me. Take care.
Sketchbook scheme, yeah.